Could PayPal coin normalize crypto payments? UAE-based money transfer firm announces partnership with Ripplenet. Cyber vigilante hunts down DeFi scammers running away with $25 million rug pull. These stories and more here on Crypto. Hi, I'm Jaden from Crypto Gems, and here are the latest news on crypto. PayPal has well over 350 million active users and already lets users buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. Launching a stablecoin would put the firm squarely on the map as a cryptocurrency company, CEO Marwan Farsley said. The move could see other traditional banking and payments companies explore this space more. PayPal's move into the crypto sector could be a catalyst for mass adaptation, says EQI Bank's Eli Taranto. References to stablecoins linked to the pound and euro were found in the app's code. The firm removed images for its euro and pound linked stablecoins, but a reference to NEO within the code stayed. Al Fardan Exchange, a United Arab Emirates based money transfer firm, has partnered with Ripple. The company will use the Ripplenet cloud to send funds across national borders in real time. The National News reports that the UAE's outward remittances have seen a rebound in the past year. Web3 is being ushered in as a permissionless and open innovation using middleware protocols. By doing so, they're replacing middleman software as a service companies. On a middleware protocol, developers can stake the equivalent network bandwidth for the lifetime of that stake. The Web3 index tracks demand-side fees, or DSF, of service protocols across various layers of the decentralized developer stack. This novel economic approach has the potential to disrupt SaaS in a major way while maintaining perpetual fair launch mechanisms. Could we see a new Latin American country adopting BTC by early 2022? Kaiser believes that there will be a new country in Latin America adopting Bitcoin within the next 2 years. Kaiser said, "The smart ones are the IMF and the forces against Bitcoin's expansion." Kaiser believes that there will be a new country in Latin America adopting Bitcoin within the next 2 years. Kaiser said, "The smart ones are the IMF and the forces against Bitcoin's expansion." When asked about the IMF's request for El Salvador to eliminate Bitcoin as the country's official legal tender, Kaiser said, "Thank God these financial terrorists will soon be out of business." Max Kaiser says that a new Latin American country will adopt Bitcoin as legal tender in 2022. Kaiser is the host of the Kaiser Report and co-host of the Orange Pill, which airs on Kitco News. According to Kaiser, he claims to have evidence from internal sources who will allegedly confirm this coming announcement. The stable magnet platform lured unwary investors under the pretext of high returns against stablecoin deposits. Tracking down scams and frauds from across the world becomes a near impossible feat for centralized police forces. In the world of digital finance, where the weapon of choice for a heist is a computer rather than a semi-automatic firearm, an anonymous cyber vigilante shares insights into how he went about tracking down a group of decentralized finance scammers. A cyber vigilante from Stable Magnet tracked down the scammers' travel to a Chinatown in Manchester. He booked a one-way flight ticket to Manchester while contacting local police and returned the majority of the loot. The Great Manchester Police arrested a few of the criminals, which contained roughly $9 million. If you've enjoyed this video, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell, or you can visit our website in cryptogemsofficial.com with new content every day, so you won't miss a review, news update, or the clearest information about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies anywhere. And those are the latest news on crypto, and I'll see you on the next one.